Welcome to another video here on my channel. We are going to look at the Young Nails Fiber Gel Extension Kit today. So this is what the kit comes in. It comes in this beautiful box. So you can see these are some of the colors that they come in, and this is everything that is included in the kit. So it's going to come with 3 of the fiber gel colors. It comes with full cover almond tips, the rechargeable e-file pen, cuticle bit, zebra file, protein bond, and an 8-ounce swipe. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what this kit looks like. Let's get to it. All right, let's go ahead and open up this kit here. So I'm just going to pull this down. Okay, so everything comes nicely shipped. So first thing here, we have our full cover nail tips. So this is the little packaging that it comes in to protect them. It also comes in this little sealable pouch. We have our nail file. It is the 150 grit. And we have our nail tips, our full cover nail tips. So I like that it comes in this little bag. Very nice. That way, if it opens, you don't have them flying everywhere. So these are the nail tips, and pretty standard box. Let's see, this is a pretty good size. Let me see. 0. If you have a bigger nail bed, it might not be the biggest, but these are pretty small. And nice kind of like stiletto almond shape. So really nice. Pretty flexible. Okay, these are really good. I'm going to do a separate review on the nail tips and kind of comparing them. These look like that's 0, so I'll just put them there. So yeah, these are really nice. You can put this back on like this. And it has their little glue, which I actually like this because it has like a little stand on the glue. So I like that. So pretty standard sturdy box. So these are the nail tips and the file. So let's get that out of the way. Let's see, next we have the rechargeable e-file pen. So this is really cool. This is kind of what caught my attention to the kit. So I'll open this in a moment, just trying to get everything out. So it's just a pen. I think there's only 1 speed on it, and it has a little light. Nice little box. It reminds me of like Apple. So yeah, nice little rechargeable pen. What do we have next? Swipe. Swipe is really good. It's good to clean the nails, and it's an 8-ounce. I really like the bottle. So not too much to say about this. If you haven't tried it, it's pretty inexpensive and it's really good quality. So that is swipe. We get a teeny little protein bond. I don't think they come in any bigger sizes. So this is like the regular protein bond. So it's pretty cool. Right now I'm using the Valentino prep, but you know, pretty cool. Get a protein bond. We get a diamond cuticle bit for our pen. So these will go together. And then, what is in here? We have our cover, well, one of them is the cover color. But we have our 3 keratin. So these are where the gel polishes come in, these little box. Not the gel polishes, the keratin. And then that's it for the box. And then last but not least, we get the little stand. So let's dig into all of these items more into depth. Let's start with our single finger rechargeable LED light. So it comes in this nice little box, pretty small, pretty light. So let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really like the light I have now, but this one, you can stand it up anywhere. Because my light, you have to clip it. So yeah, really nice. I like that it's silver as well. It just comes out of the single little like bead here. I don't know if that's focusing there, but it just comes out of there. We have nice and simple the Young Nails logo. I really love that. And then we have our little cord. Let's see how big this cord is. Just for reference, because this goes into your little wall plug, and then this goes in here. So you might need an extension cord, because this cord is pretty short. Let's see. Oh, it fits in the camera frame, so that's a pretty short cord. So if anything, I wish this was longer, but I don't think I can make it any different. So yeah, it just has a little button. Oh wait, but it's rechargeable. Oh my God, duh. Okay. So it's rechargeable. So you just gotta charge it. You don't gotta worry about a cord. Okay. That's so cool. Okay. That's so cool. Okay, enough about the light. This is just the cord to charge it. You don't need it because, of course, it's rechargeable. So, oh my God, I just completely missed the point on this one. So yeah, this is the light. Very, very nice. Very nice quality. Has little pads on the bottom. And yeah, you can move it. You can just stand it up anywhere. If you need a higher surface, you can just on the box. Boom. Okay, very nice. Let's move on to the next one. Next we have Swipe. So this is not a new product, but this is a little pump, and this is the bottle itself. So you just remove the little lid to this and then put in the pump, and then you just like pop it in place or something, and then you're able to kind of press down on it. But yeah, I won't go into this one too much. This is just a Swipe. It's a really good quality liquid. It cleans the nail really well. But yeah, I won't go into this much further. Sorry. Yeah, so it comes with a Swipe. Really, really nice. Next product. Protein Bond. I won't go into the Protein Bond too much. If you haven't tried it, it's a really good product. I just don't like that the bottle is so small, and I kind of had to be very careful with it, especially with really long nails. So I wish the bottle was big. That's my only complaint with Protein Bond. Okay, so now let's get into this here. So we have the cuticle bit. I actually have tried this cuticle bit. You can purchase it on its own. You can put any bit in here too, but let me just go ahead and open this here. I should have brought, let me open this real quick. Okay, now I unsealed it. Okay, so it comes in this little box here. I'm trying to open it. So we get this little pamphlet, just saying just information. I never read instructions. So we have here, let's see if anything comes from the bottom. Yeah. So here we have the little charging cord. Is this cordless too? Oh, it is rechargeable. Oh my gosh. Everything is rechargeable. Rechargeable little pen, rechargeable lamp. That is the point of this kit, is to make it really easy for on the go too. So this, it's like a little cover for it, and then this is where you charge it. This reminds me of like a vape pen. Okay. So let's see if it's charged already. So number one, I love the color. It's just cute. I would have liked it black or white, but it's pink, it's nice. And then here you put the little bit in, and then it goes forward and reverse. Can you hear that? Forward and reverse, and it has its a little light. I don't see the light helping that much, but it's still cool. And then you turn it off. Yeah, this is really cool. You just charge it up. Same thing. This cord is a little bit longer. I wonder if you can use these interchangeably. I think this is the same cord that I can charge my keyboard, my iPad keyboard with. So this is a lot longer than the other one. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, rechargeable. I'm not gonna put the nail bit in, you just stick it in there, really, and then you pull it out. But yeah, it's really cool. Let's move on to the next product. As far as the nail file, I'm not really gonna go into this that much. And then the nail tips, I'm gonna do a kind of a comparison with another brand that I recently got. So I'm not gonna go too into depth with these nail tips here. So yeah, we'll go into this in a different video on the quality of these nail tips themselves. Okay, next we have these keratin. These are, let's take them out. So these are the manicure fiber gel with keratin. So we have the original, we have like a milky white color, and then a cover, I think, yeah, this is cover nude. Cover nude. So let's start with the original. So this is the one that they had only one for a while. So this is the original color. Oh, look at that, it's gorgeous. It's like a beautiful, like, just a beautiful, like, pink nude, really. And then we have the, let's do this one next, which is the, what color? Soft white. And let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, that is a soft white. Very pretty. And next we have the new cover nude, and we'll compare the cover nude with the pink, and it might be like cover pink. Oh yeah. Okay, so you can see this color. Hopefully you can see it well, the difference. But let me show you it like this. A ver si no se me tiran. Okay. So we have the original, more pink, and then the nude. So pink and nude. So you can tell the difference, kind of. Let me zoom you in a little bit and see if it kind of shows better here. You can kind of see the undertones a bit more, like pink and nude. Let me pull it up on this here. Oh, I se me tiró. Let's see. So you can see the colors a bit more. Let me zoom. Let me focus. There. So you can see the nude and the pink. So it's a kind of a big difference, but it's still the same kind of undertone, same little family. Se me va a tirar, aquí ando nomás jugando. Okay, let's put these back in, que se me andan tirando. Okay, so yeah, these are very pretty, and they have very good adhesion from what I've seen in their videos. And then the cover, or sorry, the soft white, well, it's gonna be like a funny bunny. Like a funny bunny white, maybe even more pigmented than funny bunny. Me chorreé. Okay. yeah, these are really nice. I wish they were bigger because you kind of go through it a lot, but you can still buy them individually, I'm pretty sure. So these are the new colors, the 2 new colors, and then the more original one that they came out with at first. And yeah, that is the kit. I also got this separately. It's like a little pones, and you just do your nail art like that. But this is not part of the kit. I just wanted to show you that I got this from Young Nails as well. But yeah, that is the kit. So again, I'll show you an overview as to what it comes with. So we have our lamp and our pen that is rechargeable, so it's cordless. Our swipe protein bond, it comes with a little bit, and then the 3 colors of the I keep forgetting the name of the manicure fiber gel, the little nail file, and then the tips. So yeah, really nice kit, very great quality. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, if you're going to be getting this kit, if you're going to be getting things individually. Let me know, and thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video where I test out these nail tips.